The S9 Pro, packed with digital features. Here's 10 of the best. So, key tag recognition. Get close to the van, it'll unlock it and unarm the alarm. If you have a worn away alert from the van, it'll also give you a worn away alert text to the phone. Same again with shock sensor, so you'll get a text alert to the phone. If the alarm on the van goes off, then it will call your phone and it will tell you what activated the alarm to go off via the phone. So you can adjust the sensitivity of the sensors through the StarLine app. You can adjust the motion sensor, tilt sensor and shock sensor. To start the van needs to see the StarLine key tag. Without this key tag, the van won't start. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the battery out of the key tag to simulate that the alarm can't see the tag. Battery's out. The van's now saying it can't see the key tag. Try and start the van. Won't start, alarm sounding. We go battery back in, says the key tag, alarm stops. There's lots more to this alarm, but they're just some of the features. Please, if you'd like to know more, take a look on our website or give us a call or come and see one of our vans and we can show you more about this alarm. Thanks for watching.